So let's pick up with the Zhou dynasty and let's think about them, some of the significant changes that happen over the course of the next couple hundred years, and especially let's end with some philosophies that come to dominate Chinese thoughts about life, but also political philosophy well beyond this period. So for this lecture, we want to think about what the Zhou strategies are and how they relate to this big kind of patchwork of different groups of people in a massive area of China. Specifically in this, they developed something that is called the Mandate of Heaven. And despite the title, it's not really all that religious. It is a ruling strategy that is used not only by them, but many subsequent dynasties. So what is it? Why is it important? We're going to see Chinese population just balloon in this era, getting us closer and closer to that 1.4 billion today. So how does that population change impact society and government? And then we're going to end class kind of doing something a little bit different, but thinking about three dominant philosophies that develop in the kind of tail end of this era, starting around 500 and going into the 200s. So we want to think about what each of them is, how they compare to each other, what purposes they serve, and especially how they would have been incorporated by rulers. Got the questions here, got some terms on the next slide, and then we will jump into thinking about the Zhou.